Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect LinkedIn to Make.com. To begin, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is where you manage automations, known in Make as scenarios. If you are already signed in, you should land directly on the main workspace. If not, sign in first and then continue to the dashboard so you can start creating a new connection. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This opens the Scenario Builder, which is where you add apps, actions, and connections for your automation. Creating a scenario is the first step because Make needs a workflow space before you can attach LinkedIn to it. After the Scenario Builder opens, use the search area to type in LinkedIn. This helps Make filter the available apps so you can quickly find the correct one. Be sure to enter the name clearly and wait for the matching results to appear. This is especially helpful if you have many apps available in the list and want to avoid selecting the wrong service. When LinkedIn appears in the search results, click on LinkedIn to continue. This adds the app into your scenario so you can choose what you want it to do. At this point, Make will prompt you to select an action. The action represents the type of task LinkedIn will perform inside the automation. Next, select a sample action. If you are just connecting LinkedIn for the first time, the exact action you choose here may simply be a starting point to trigger the connection setup. Choose the sample action shown on your screen and continue. This will bring up the connection settings for the app. From there, select a sample connection. If no connection exists yet, this is typically where Make lets you create or choose your LinkedIn connection. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete the connection flow as needed. Take a moment to confirm that the correct LinkedIn account is being linked before moving forward, since this will be the account Make uses for future automations. Once everything is set up and the connection is complete, click Save. Saving confirms your selection and stores the LinkedIn connection inside the scenario. After that, your LinkedIn app should be connected and ready to use within Make. That's it. You have now gone through the basic process of connecting LinkedIn to Make.com. If you plan to keep building this scenario, you can continue configuring the remaining steps right from the same workspace.